page 4. 1. Our funny home.
Our home is really funny. The window is under the cupboard. Our radio is in Mum's old hat. There are 3 chairs in front of those flowers and 10 oranges next to the cat in our kitchen. My grandma's sleeping in the bath again. Look, she's behind her funny old door. 5 ducks are enjoying the water and can you see those 4 boats on the floor in our bathroom? The TV is between 2 big bookcases. My pet lizard lives under it. Oh, there are 9 balloons on Dad's armchair today. And where is our baby hippo? In our living room. 2 clocks are behind that painting of frogs. My football is here. It's not in our hall. Grandpa's teeth are on our big table again. And can you see the tree on the wall in our dining room? My lamp is in front of 6 boxes. There are 11 new books on my head. Our green snake sleeps on that computer. And there are 12 shoes under my bed in my bedroom. Our home is old and we have lots of pets. Mum says it's like a zoo. But I love my family and I love my home. Would you like to live here too?